Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a template missings on CapCut PC versions. So as you can see, there is no like how you can add template here. Now let's check on when you create a new projects. Here there are no template option. Maybe just a stock materials that you can try to use. There's a pro one or the free one, up to you. And also the brand assets, spaces, and you can import your preset from device. No templates. So let's close. In order to use template, you can close this CapCut app on your system. You can go directly into Google Chrome or any browser and try to open CapCut official website, and don't forget to sign in order to access the CapCut web browser version. Here, after you sign in, you can edit your projects here. So, and also there is a templates that you can try. So the point is, you don't use this version, the installed version. Just use the web browser edition or version if you want to use templates. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.